Global. Happy 10th year anniversary po.
Grabe!
Dahil ang AIM Global po, napaka number 1 sa ating buong mundo.
Good morning!
Grabe po, AIM Global, subukan nyo, walang mawala. Ikaw na susunod, maging mayan sa Global. Power! AIM Global Power!
Tayo ay mga bagong bayani ng ating bayan.
Only the opportunity and the willingness to become a force of good in this world. You are indeed a hero.
Don't ever wait for a perfect moment. Take that moment and make it perfect. Good morning! When you believe 100%. Not even a single doubt. Believe with all your heart. Believe with all your mind. Believe with all your soul. Now it's easier for you to become a multi-millionaire. We will join you again for the next 10 years. Are you with us? Are you with us? At this momentum years, AIM will be the next MLM Giant! Let us continue to be a blessing to others. Let us continue helping those who would want to be helped through AIM World and AIM Global.